the 2014 Dodge Charger. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Dodge prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, automatic temperature control, and a split-folding rear seat. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.